In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see unsent messages here on Messenger. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if someone deletes a message, you're not going to see it in the app, but you can use your phone's notification history to actually go ahead and see this. First, go ahead and exit out of Facebook Messenger just like so. If you're on an Android, swipe up and open up your settings and then scroll down and tap notifications. And from here, you actually have an option to go into advanced settings and choose notification history. Just make sure that feature is turned on because it's only going to save messages that come in after it's enabled. Once it is on, you could scroll through that notification history and look under Messenger, expand it, and you're going to see every single text message, even ones that were later unsent. On an iPhone, unfortunately, this is a lot harder to do. You can really only scroll down to open up your notification center and go through here. And if there was any unsent messages on Facebook that did go through, you'd see them in this section right here. Unfortunately, on an iPhone, there's not really a way to check notification history apart from this section. So if it's not in here, you're kind of out of luck. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Remember, turn on notification history, check Messenger notifications, and you'll be able to see all of those unsent messages. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.